In this video, I'm going to be showing you the most secret London session strategy. And if you watch this video all the way to the end, you're going to unlock so much different gems that you're going to completely blow your own mind, okay? So we're going to get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is, okay, you need to trade within the London zone, which is from 7 a.m. until 11 a.m. on a 5-minute time frame. And after you do that, this is what you need to do. You need to mark out the highs and lows of liquidity of Asian session, right? So we're going to be marking out the highest point and the lowest point. So as you can see, this is it. This is the highest point right here, and this will be here, the lowest point, anywhere around here, right? Okay, this is right, but this is a lot of things that people don't tell you. Okay, a lot of people don't say, you need to actually look for the most recent part of liquidity, because you can see how price is going in a very big uptrend. So we need to actually identify price's liquidity from before the uptrend. Okay, you can see right there, that's the most recent actual fractional low that we've got. Okay, as you can see, the most recent fractional low is right there. So what we're going to be doing is actually using this as our side of liquidity. So once we do that, we need to identify which part of price gets liquidated first. So if I play price forward now, you're going to see how it goes down and it goes to sweep this area. Okay, as soon as it sweeps this area, this will be marked out as our liquidity sweep. And once we do get this liquidity sweep, this is all we need from now on to actually continue to trade on and actually continue the reversal trade, right? So what I'm going to be doing from now on is finding a breakage of structure where fractional highs / fractional lows have completely been swept, and then we reinforce our market structure shift with an engulfing candlestick if it's possible, right? So I'm going to be trying to find a breakers of structure. So if I play price forward now, you're going to be seeing a breakage of structure. There we go. We just got a very, very big breakage of structure right here. Okay, let me just zoom into this so you guys can see better, right? Now all we need to do is find the market structure shift, identify the fair value gap, and then we'll execute the trade. But just before that, if you actually have a prop firm account or have any interest in prop firms and making money with trading, okay, this is what you need to do. You need to join the first link in the description, because Nehemiah made his first $37,000 with our service yesterday, okay? No, this is actually today. Okay, he joined us. He was just like you. He joined us 4 months ago, and this is his 4th payout. Right? He got $37,000, and this is not luck. He just took action. Okay, you can check our YouTube testimonials if you join the actual Telegram chat. And this is what we did for him. We covered 25% of his account cost, which was 400k, and then we passed his phase 1 and phase 2 in 5 days, and then we managed his account for 4 months, and this is his 4th payout with us. Okay. He gets to keep 70% of that payout, and we only take 30% of the payout, and we only take it after it lands in his bank account. Okay, so he sends it to us through crypto, and that's how we make our money. So make sure you join first in the description, and you can. There's only 5 spaces left where you can only pay after you get a payout. Okay, so make sure you join as fast as possible. Right. So what we're going to be doing is marking out our market structure shift, which will be from here to here. So this is our market structure shift right here, and as soon as we actually do get this market structure shift, what we're going to be doing is, right, we're going to be actually marking out our fair value gap. Okay, let me show you. So we need to identify a fair value gap. We overlap the fair value gap with a market structure shift for a high probability, and then we execute the trade, right? So this is what I'm going to be doing right now. Let me just identify the fair value gap, which will be from here to here. As you can see, prices already came in because I've played price forward a little too much. As you can see, you enter at the top of the highlighted area, you place your stop loss just below the first candle of the FEG, and you place your take profit as 1 to 3 war ratio. Alright, so that's all you're going to be doing to actually make all these profits. So there we go. And now all you're going to be doing from now on is actually playing price forward, and you're going to see exactly how it runs. So if I play price forward now, you can see how it's entered the area, now it's going towards the upside, and it's completely gone up to smash our take profit. Okay, this is such a good strategy because it works in so much different pairs, and it works so well in forex. Okay, make sure you actually do listen to this video very carefully. I'm going to show you now on a fundamental level how the strategy actually works. Right, you're going to be letting Asian session do whatever it wants. Right, by the way, if you want that indicator, I'm going to give you the name of it in a second. Just hold up. The name of the indicator that I'll be using, the highlighted blue area, is Asian session range. Okay, that's the actual indicator that I'm using to figure out the Asian session, London session, all the above. Okay, so as soon as we do that, what we're going to be doing is marking out the highs and the lows, right? So let's say this is the highest point, and let's say this, like right here is the lowest point, right? So as soon as we do this, we need to figure out which part of price gets swept first. So let's say the lows actually get swept first, just like this. As soon as the lows get swept, this is what we need to do. This will be a liquidity sweep. And as soon as we do get this liquidity sweep, what we need to do from here on out gets very, very crucial. Okay, as soon as we get a liquidity sweep, we need to make sure that price actually gives us a breakage of structure, which is something like this. And as soon as you get a breakage of structure like this, this is what you need to do. You need to mark out the breakage of structure, just like this, which will be the market structure shift to MSS. And then after that, we need to mark out our fair value gap, right? So as you can see, it will be an area like this, where we're going to be marking out the fair value gap, right? This is the FVG. As soon as we get the FVG, this is going to be the last thing that we need, the fair value gap. Once we get it, all you're going to be doing is entering your long position right there. Okay, as soon as you enter the long position, you place your stop loss just at this candle right here, and you place your take profit as Asian sessions highs, or a 1-to-3 or a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. Okay, as soon as you do that, then you just wait for price to actually come back down into this area, and it will bounce off the fair value gap. Maybe it will close below it. Let me just show you exactly what pairs this works on. It works on Euro USD, it works on GBP USD, it works on XAU USD, and it works on S&P 500. Also, it works on NAS 100. Okay, so that's all the pairs that it actually works on. It's very, very crucial. And after that, all you're gonna be waiting for price to actually come back up and go up and smash your take profit. It will be a move like this, and it will be such a good move. Okay, also look, I've got the best offer right now. I've got the best service in the game. Just go check the client testimonial, which will be linked in the description also. Okay, I've got the best service in the game, because you can see Daniel even made $24,000 yesterday with MSPAS. Okay, I've managed to cover 25% of his account cost. I managed his account for 4 months, and I've gotten 4 different payouts. Okay, if we breach that account, or if you're not satisfied by anything, you'll get a full refund through PayPal, through crypto, however you want it. Okay, we're gonna be closing management very, very soon, and there's only 5 spaces left where you only pay after we get you the payout. Make sure you join, first link in the description. But anyway, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Take care.